Hello guys and welcome back to our channel AutoZone India. Today we are going to do a review of all new Passion Pro 2020 model, the next generation Passion. But before that, those who are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Request you to watch this video completely so that you will never miss any of the points related to this bike. This bike comes with an tagline of Dare to Stand Out. Considering the design, yes, we can think about it. The all-new Passion Pro featuring Xsens with programmed fuel injection BS6 engine, delivering an excellent bike mileage and features the revolutionary i3S technology Dare to be different. Here are some features of the bike. The bike has a muffler cover over its silencer, longer front suspension on a travel, muscular tank with triple tone graphics, new 113cc engine with a higher torque on demand, the brighter tail lamp, digital analog console, signature tail lamp, new diamond frame chassis, auto cell smoother ride in city traffic. If you will see the headlight structure, it comes with an air vents which looks pretty cool. Considering the red color here, the black color with a matte finish looks very good. You can see the logo which is coming out from the windshield with a chrome type of an fill. Looks very good. The halogen lamp is crystal clear with a big glass. You can see the indicators which are pointed, which is good looking out in terms of an aerodynamic thing. Again, talking about the design of the mirrors, again they are pointed. Looks and good fit and fit finish of this vehicle. The bike is available in 5 color options. The first one will be in glaze black color, second one will be in sports red, it's my favorite color, third color is yellow moon, fourth is heavy grey metallic color, and the fifth one is techno blue. Talking about the suspension setup, the front suspension is conventional fork, diameter 30 mm. The rear one is a twin shock. Talking about the front brakes, the front brake comes with an 240 mm disc. Again, the front comes with a drum brake as an option, and the rear we have a drum brake of 130 mm. Talking about the tires, the front tire is 80 by 100, 18 inches, tubeless, and the rear one is also of the same dimensions, 80 by 100, 18 inches, tubeless. Talking about the overall dimensions of the vehicle, the length of the vehicle is 2036 mm, width is 715 mm, height is 1113 mm, saddle height is 799 mm. The wheelbase of the vehicle is 1270 mm, ground clearance is 180 mm, which is pretty good. Fuel tank capacity of this vehicle is also quite impressive, it's 10 liter. Curb weight of the vehicle is 117 kgs for drum brake and 118 kgs for disc brake. 1 kg of the difference is hardly a matter. Talking about the engine is air cooled 4-stroke. Bore and the stroke of the vehicle is 50 by 57.8 mm. Displacement is 113cc as I told you earlier. The max power is 6.73 kilowatts at 7500 revolutions per minute. Max torque is 9.89 Nm at 5000 revolutions per minute. Compression ratio is 9 by 7 by 1. Starting system is, it can be operated by kickstart or electric start. Transmission and chassis, it's an clutch, wet multiplate, gearbox is an constant mesh, and frame is an diamond type. The bike comes with a price bracket of 64,990 ex-showroom for kickstart variant and 67,190 ex-showroom for self-start variant with front disc and alloy wheels. I hope you had liked this video and found it a bit informative. If it is so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel AutoZone India. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my motor updates. Also, if you have anything as a suggestion, mention it in our comment box. Request you to always wear helmet while riding. Thanks for watching.